I'm going to show you how I took my mini twist from this old crunchy bed nest to looking soft, moisturized, and juicy with just a few steps and a few ingredients. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be taking you guys along as I wash, refresh, and maintain my 2 weeks old mini twists. As you can see, it's already looking very dry and lifeless, and I've only moisturized once since the 2 weeks I installed this mini twist. Okay, and yeah, today is wash day, so we're just going to do everything, and you guys can notice that my roots and some parts of the twist are already starting to like tangle up, and this happens a lot with loose twists. Anyways, let's quickly get into the video. Before I get into washing the twist and all of that, I'm going to start off by prepping some of the ingredients and products I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to be using ashwagandha powder, okay? And something I've been doing a lot lately with my hair or my hair routine is trying to incorporate a lot of Ayurvedic herbs one way or the other. Okay, like today, I do not think I want to do go through the process of making a hair mask, so I'm just going to mix this ashwagandha powder with my deep conditioner and just go ahead and deep condition my hair with it, and it works perfectly. Okay, so I went in with just 1 tablespoon of the ashwagandha powder, and I'm just going to keep pouring olive oil into the powder and just mix it up until it is well combined. And this is what the mixture looks like after I thoroughly combined after some time. Next thing I'm going to do is to use the double boiler method to heat this max up a little bit, like just do it for a bit of time just to make sure the ashwagandha powder releases its nutrients. Okay, I'm just going to do this until I start perceiving the powder, like the aroma becomes very visibly strong. Anyways, I'm done with the double boiling method, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to proceed to the next step, which is combining the ashwagandha max with my deep conditioner. And today I'm using this hair mayonnaise. I'm just going into a few tablespoons of my deep conditioner. The amount I feel is going to be enough to coat my hair strands, and I'm just going to combine that thoroughly. Once I was done, I set the max aside and proceeded to wash my hair. And I'm using warm water to wash my hair. I'm just going to pour a lot of warm water to my hair just to make sure my hair is soaked thoroughly, and I just start to squeeze gently, okay, just to get out any products. Like the warm water alone actually helps to clean your hair without any conditioner or shampoo, I mean. Okay, once I'm done drenching my hair and trying to squeeze out the much product I can from my hair, I'm going to proceed to start applying my shampoo. Something I like to do whenever I'm washing my hair is to focus my shampoo on my scalp, and then I try to walk it through the length of my hair. Okay, and this actually works well for me. And for this wash day, I did three shampoo rinses. Okay, I washed the first time with the first shampoo, which didn't lather very well. I went in the second time and then a third time just to make sure I get rid of any products and build up on my hair and scalp. Okay, and this is what my hair looks like once I was done washing, and my hair feels so soft, and it just feels refreshed. Okay, and I still have a few twists that already kind of unraveled itself, but anyways, I'm going to fix that at the end. Okay, but I'm just going to start by applying my deep conditioner right now to my hair, and I'm going to do this in sections. Okay, applying my deep conditioner or any other hair product to my hair in sections helps to make sure that the product coats tries to coat every single strand, and that no strand of hair is left behind. And once you're applying products to your hair, when it's in a protective style, be it mini twist, mini braids, or any other type of protective style, it's actually a lot more difficult to get the products to get to every single strand. Okay, so something else I like to do is to make sure I am squeezing the product in, like just squeezing softly. Okay, and this is just going to help and make sure that the product gets to every strand. Okay, and once I'm done applying the deep conditioner to a particular section, I go ahead and tuck it away. And something you're going to notice is that I try to focus the majority of this deep conditioner application on the ends of my hair. That's because the ends of my hair are the oldest and the weakest part of my hair, so they are prone to more dryness and breakage. So they need the most attention and TLC. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat this entire process and motion of applying the deep conditioner to sections of my hair, and once I am done, I'm going to proceed to the next step. Once I'm done applying the deep conditioner to each section, I like to come back and spray a little bit of warm water to my hair. And I'm just going to try and just mist my entire hair properly, and also take my time to rub and squeezing everything, the products, to the deep conditioner into my hair properly. Because once again, it's actually a lot difficult for products to penetrate your hair strands when your hair is in a protective style. So just make sure you take your time whenever you're applying any product to your hair when it's in a protective style. Okay, once I'm done with doing that, I'm just going to secure the twist with one strand of twist, like just use it to create a ponytail. Okay, now that I'm done massaging the deep conditioner into my hair strands, I'm just going to go in with a plastic bag and cover my hair properly. Once I'm done with that, something else I like to do is to go ahead and wrap with a wet or a damp t-shirt rather. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I'm just going to put on my heating cap, and I'm just going to let this sit for 30 minutes. Okay, and this is after 30 minutes. I'm just going to give my hair like 10 minutes each to cool down before I proceed to go rinse out the deep conditioner from my hair. And you guys, I also brewed a little bit of hibiscus tea, okay, which I'm just going to use as a final rinse. And you guys, this is after everything, after rinsing out the deep conditioner and doing the hibiscus rinse. And as you can see, my hair looks and feels a whole lot different, and my hair feels conditioned and soft. Okay, but I'm still going to go ahead and move to the next step, which is going to be applying my leave-in conditioner. I'm also going to be applying this leave-in conditioner in sections. Okay, just separate a few of the mini twists and just go ahead and apply a generous amount of the leave-in conditioner. And I'm also making sure to focus the leave-in conditioner application on the ends of my twist. Okay, then I can work my way upwards with whatever I have remaining. Okay, something else you probably notice is that I do not bother trying to dry out excess moisture or water from my hair using a t-shirt or a towel. I just go in with my product straight up. Okay, and this is because I noticed that with me applying products to my hair, I usually take my time with each section. Okay, and by the time I'm done with this front section and move over to the back section is already like dry or like somewhere damp, I don't know. But if I end up trying to dry with a t-shirt first, by the time I get to the back area, it's already dry, and I would have to start spraying water, which actually takes a lot of time, and I do not want to do that. So I that's why I do not bother trying to dry with a t-shirt. Anyways, once I'm done with applying the leave-in conditioner in sections, I try to squeeze everything together, like just make sure like everything is well absorbed. And the next step is to apply my hair growth oil to my scalp. I'm just going into a little bit. Yeah, now I'm going to apply this to as many sections as possible. I do not take my time with this. I just apply to a few sections. Sometimes I pour a little on my hands and just try to massage thoroughly. Okay, once I'm done massaging my scalp, I move on to the next step, which is applying or sealing in the whole moisture with my shea butter. I just apply a little bit of shea butter to my hands and rub it in on my palms or rub it against my palms, and then I start applying it in sections. And I also like to focus this on the ends of my hair, and then I walk my way upwards, and I also try to squeeze in as I apply it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this for my entire mini twist. Okay, and this is what my hair looks like once I was done with the shea butter application. And I decided to go ahead and pull my hair into two cornrows, as you can see me doing in the video. And I'm actually going to wear these two cornrows for like a week before I actually take it down and restyle this twist again. And I forgot to show you guys, but I went ahead to retwist the few sections that like kind of loosened a little bit. And this is what my hair looks like once I was done with the braiding process. And something I like to do after moisturizing and sealing in my moisture is to, cover my hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag and just go about my day for at least an hour before I take it off. Sometimes I also, what something I do is I go ahead and use my heating cap for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes ish, but I do not feel like doing that today. So I'm just going to leave this shower cap on for like an hour before I take it out. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.